Good morning, dear student. Hope all you're fine. Welcome to my class. So today I'll discuss from one chapter from social and political life. That lesson is understanding diversity. Is the first lesson. So in these lessons we'll discuss about that. We'll come to know about the diversity. What is diversity? And we'll discuss about in this lesson that how we finding out how differ we are as a human being. We'll discuss that how diversity affect to our life. So stay with me. I'll be discuss about uh, all things in details. So what is diversity? Diversity means that is instead of being varied, different form or differences from one another. That means the state of being different from one another in one way or other. That means different from one is different from another in one way or other. That is something about the diversity. So what is diversity? We'll clearly came to know about diversity with the example. So see it here. Example, as we know that a rainbow, which is look very nice because it has differences have variety have because it has 7 color. As you know that the color comprises of the rainbow. As you know that it is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So this is the different color that rainbow have. That's why it looks very nice. It is very nice. So if it is, since think that if it is the same color, then it's look interesting, it's look nice. Obviously no. So same things, diversity means not the similarity, but it's differences, different form, like the rainbow. So we live in a society with different people. We play with them, we share, we play with them, we study with them. So we are different activity with the people. These are peoples like the rainbow like that have the different color have. So we can say that we live with the peoples, we play with the peoples, they also have their like different color like rainbow. So this make us very interesting to our life, and we can able to learn the so many things from the societies, as because of diversity, different form or different varieties. So uh, that is, now we came to another example. Suppose if we give the example of our class. Example, if we are going to give example of our classroom. So see, in the classrooms, with the peoples are gathered from different from the different places. We suppose if we observe that in our classroom, the students, your friends, who have like a rainbow. If I write against each color, if I write your friend name, 7 friend name against each color of the rainbow, and suppose violet, your friend is Rohit, indigo, this is right, Rehan, it is Rishabh. If I write Pallavi, if I write against the color of yellow, Sangeeta. If I write orange against Mohan. If I write red against Vikas. These are the 7 friends. Each friend against wrote the one color of the rainbow. Then if I write each friend's one special quality I write, then it will be not similar to each other, which is very important, because because it's very important to identify and appreciate the diversity. So these are different form or different ways, because each of the qualities will not similar will become. If all our qualities are same become, all our looks are same, it will be very difficult for us. That's why that is called the diversity, different form or different race, instead of being varied. So this is very important. Diversity is very important to identify and appreciate, and this is the diversity which is add the value and variety to our lives, which make value and variety to our lives. That's why it's very important. So even we see, if the peoples surrounding us all are same looking, all are same, so then the peoples we live, they behave with us, the manner, the particular dress up, their particular food habit, all are same, then it will be not interesting, we will feel bored. If we in the same time, if we feel that when the peoples we are surrounding is peoples are varied, its look, its religions, its caste, its dress up, its behavior, its qualities, so other things, if it is a differences which is very interesting and looking good also, and that make us to know more about the world. So that's why we can say that we have to accept the diversity, which is very important, and identifying the diversity also very important for us. With the peoples need the different set of peoples, different skill the peoples have, because this is for our daily experience. Daily experiences, we need the different variety of the peoples, different set of skill of the peoples for our daily experiences. So that's why we respect to the each of individual. That's why we have to respect the each of individual, what they do, what the way they live, because it's bring to value to our lives. So even we see that if we show that showing the similarities and differences to others, to share with others, that how it's affect similarity, which make us easy to identify the anything, similarities which make and identify the easy which make easy to identify the anything, and differences, that is called the diversity, which that is make more interesting to know about the other peoples, other behaviors. So this is always very interesting, because it's make our life very interesting, because we stay in the classrooms, the different type of the peoples, different behavior, different their activities, that make us to know about more about them, that differences we had, then also we can live peacefully with them. So this is the something about the diversity I told that. And about the diversity, there is a saying that diversity is not about how we differ. This diversity is about the embracing one another uniqueness. That is a saying by Ola Joseph. So hopefully you got some idea about the diversity, what it's about. So if any clarifications, you can share with me. Thank you.